ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ ತನ್ನ ಕಚೇರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಪ್ರತಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ತನ್ನ ನೌಕರಿಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದ್ದು ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನೌಕರರಿಗಾಗಿ ಮಣಿಪಾಲದ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಜುಬಿಲಿ ಹಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಲಯ ಮಟ್ಟದ ನೌಕರರ ಸಮಾವೇಶವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಚೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಾವೇಶದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 24ರಂದು ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಜುಬಿಲಿ ಹಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ 800 ನೌಕರರು ಒಂದೆಡೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಸುದಿನ. ನಿತ್ಯ ಕೆಲಸದ ಒತ್ತಡದಿಂದ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮನಶಾಂತಿಯನ್ನ ನೀಡುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ ಈ ಒಂದು ನೌಕರರ ಗೆಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಿಂದ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾಗಿರುವ ಮೃತ್ಯುಂಜಯ ಮಹಾಪಾತ್ರ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಾಹಕರಾಗಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣನವರು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿರುವುದು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಅಂಶ ಅನ್ನಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ಸಿಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬ ನಾಮಧೇಯದ ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಧರಿಸಿರುವ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಯೂ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಸಿಪಾಯಿಗಳಂತೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಈ ನೌಕರರ ಸಮಾವೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲು ಬಂದ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ತುಳುನಾಡಿನ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದಂತೆ ಕೊಂಬು, ಕಹಳೆ, ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ, ಚೆಂಡೆ ವಾದನಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆರತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿ ಮಲ್ಲಿಗೆಯ ಆಹಾರವನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದ್ದೂರಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ನೀಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನ ಗೌರವಯುತವಾಗಿ ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಯಿತು.
तप्तकाञ्चनसन्निभं सर्वविघ्नहरं देवं सर्वविघ्नविवर्जितं सर्वसिद्धिप्रदातारं वन्देऽहं गणनायकम् एकदन्तं महाकायं तप्तकाञ्चनसन्निभं लम्बोदरं विशालाक्षं वन्देऽहं गणनायकं वन्देऽहं गणनायकम्.
Friends, good evening to all of you once again. I, on behalf of all Sindian family members gathered here, deem it my privilege and honor to welcome Sri Mrityunjaya Mahapatra, our MD and CEO. He became a member of Sindian family on 21st of September 2018. His personality can best be described as having qualities of profound public oration, deep determination, intense information technology knowledge, and more than everything, a change maker. Having had 35 years of rich experience at SBI, both in India and abroad, we must feel fortunate to have him as our MD and CEO. as a head of UK operations at SBI, United Kingdom operations at SBI, I had seen the vibrancy. Our MD and CEO, at that time he was the head of UK operations. He brought not only the vibrancy which he brought not only to his bank, that is SBI in UK, but also for all other Indian banks operating in United Kingdom from a very close angle during my tenure at the London branch. When I was there, our MD and CEO was heading the UK operations. So it's very close angle I have seen his vibrancy. I should feel myself as lucky enough. A postgraduate in Physics and Business Administration, he had handled critical departments in SBI like corporate credit, global strategy, transformation program, etc. After joining our bank, he has been giving a lot of thrust for data and analytics, which are the key drivers for business decisions and business trajectory. Welcome you, sir. I also feel proud to welcome Sri S. Krishnan, our Executive Director. He became a family member of Syndicate Bank on 1st of November 2017. He played key roles in corporate credit, risk management, HR, and board secretariat while he was working at Indian Bank. I had also seen him very closely at corporate office. His intense knowledge on risk management when we were in the meeting, board meeting, or the other committee meetings, par excellence. So I also should feel lucky to have closely worked with Mr. Krishnan Saab at corporate office. Currently he is in charge of credit and operations portfolio of our bank, consisting of corporate credit and credit monitoring, HR, risk management, compliance, audit and inspection, etc. He is the overseeing executive director for Manipal zone. He has got a very good quality of being firm without being rude. Welcome you also, sir. I welcome all the members of Indian family who have gathered here, and I also welcome the media people and the other persons, particularly the welcome set of people who have been here. I also convey my thanks to them.
ಬಂದಂತ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂಗುಚ್ಛ ನೀಡುವುದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ಕೋರಲಾಯಿತು. ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮಸೋಮ ಜ್ಯೋತಿರ್ಗಮಯ ಎಂಬಂತೆ ದೀಪ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲನದ ಮೂಲಕ ಕತ್ತಲ ತೆರೆ ಸರಿಸಿ ದೀಪದ ಬೆಳಕನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಂಪ್ರದಾಯಿಕ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಲಾಯಿತು.
Now it's a time to hear our Executive Director, who is authority in all the areas of the banking, who is known for his gentleness as well as the very assertive and his guiding way of things. I request Shri Krishnan sir to address our Indians. Thank you, sir.
It's a great pleasure for me to be with you all this evening. And of course, it's not the first time I have addressed many of you, if not all, in the same auditorium on one or the other earlier occasions. But today, on seeing everyone, a jam-packed hall, it gives me immense pleasure. It shows the involvement, commitment, and the ownership that every one of us have got on this great organization. Syndicate Bank, in fact, I used to tell in other parts of the country where I go, saying that particularly in Karnataka, wherever I go, they tell Syndicate Bank as Namma Bank. That is the brand value that we have. And of course, it is not limited only to the Karnataka, but also across the country, I can say. The bank has got great strength. It is not a region-specific bank. It is pan-India, as all you know, that not only in Karnataka, we have large number of presence, even in states like Uttar Pradesh, where we have the lead bank responsibility. That clearly indicates the pan-India presence of the bank. The bank has a lot of strength and advantages and a lot of feathers in its cap. About to enter the large bank league, just short of few thousands of crores of business. Probably the 6th largest bank, keeping apart the State Bank of India. So I can go on tell the strengths of the bank, and there is no end to it. Having said that always there is a scope for improvement, for doing better. When we introspect ourselves, yes, there are areas where we can still do better. In every forum I say that the greatest asset that the bank has is you people. That is the employees of the bank. That is what I always say. In fact, in one of the discussion I was telling that whatever I spend on the employees, I don't call it as a spend. I call it as investment in my human capital. Friends, with all these things, I don't think that it will be difficult for us to improve the business further and enter the large bank league very shortly. There are certain things where we need to concentrate. Definitely we can dwell upon. Many of you know one is on the business. If we do little extra, in fact, I expect a lot from this place, the birthplace of the bank. If this place cannot give, which place can give? So can I get assurance from all of you that, yes, this place will be a role model in all aspects in the bank? Thank you. If that is done, people in all the parts of the country will definitely follow this Udupi and Manipal. And I feel that we from this part of the country, this place, have an additional responsibility to show to the rest of our family that yes, we have to do this way. So one is on the performance, do a little extra, walk a little mile extra, definitely the success is ours. There are many issues which are low-hanging fruits. I request you to pay attention for that and see that we are able to get the fruits. Friends, I don't want to stand between you and me. So I'm sorry, you and the MD and CEO, the head of the family, who will be addressing all of us. I only request you that, again, concentrate more. This is the time that we have to walk extra miles to see that the bank is able to walk along and the flag of the bank is taken to the greatest height. My best wishes to every one of you. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you very much.
ಇದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧಕರನ್ನ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದ ಕ್ಷಣ ಅಂತಿಮವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬ ನಾಮಧೇಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಕೆಲಸಗಾರರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಸೂರಿನಡಿ ಸೇರಿ ಸಿಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯ ಪಥದತ್ತ ಸಾಗಿಸೋದೇ ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಗುರಿ ಎಂಬ ನಿಲುವನ್ನ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡ್ರು.
To give a promise by raising their hand, holding their fist, that we will do it, we will change, and we will make a difference. Yes. You are louder, please. Yes. Once again, please. Yes. Thank you very much. And for all the struggle or whatever you call, which has been taken preparing this entire presentation, not only here in all over India, which has almost covered 10 regions, and we appreciate this particular initiative. And as a mark of the token as a mark of love and affection, we just the Indians from both head office and zonal office would like to felicitate both our MD and CEO and Executive Director. And I request our MD and CEO, Shri Mrityunjay Mahapatra, to come on stage for a small felicitation which he should accept.
beautiful evening. Sir, today we had an inspirational speech by our MD and CEO. In spite of his busy schedule, he spent most of his time, more than 3 hours, he spoke, and his concern for the bank. And we profusely thank sir on behalf of registered office, zonal office, and also corporate office, municipality. Sir, we are greatly indebted to you, sir. I really thank you, sir. I also, on behalf of all of you, thank our Executive Director, Sri Krishnan. He has been with us since afternoon, and he has been very inspirational for all of us. And I, on behalf of all of you, thank you, sir. I thank our GM Sri Hande, sir, who has been guiding us for organizing this function. And also I thank all the other GMs, Sri Kumaraya and Giridhar Saab, and also our GM Sri Satish Kamaji, who has been with us in this evening. I thank you profusely, sir, on this behalf. I thank all the seniors, all the executives, and all the branch managers, regional managers. Thank you, sir. And there is a dinner, please have it and enjoy, sir. Thank you.